Juba, ladies and gentlemen. This is Juba International Airport, where the local time is 27 minutes past 10 in the morning and outside temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until this aircraft has come to a total complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs turned off. Be careful as you open the overhead lockers, as some items may have moved during the flight and they may fall out, causing injury. Before leaving the cabin, kindly ensure you have all your personal belongings with you. Take some time to check in the seat pockets and underneath the seat in front of you and around you for smaller valuables you may have placed there during the flight. On behalf of Uganda Airlines, Captain Jonathan and the entire team, it has been an absolute pleasure having you on board with us today, and we would like to thank you for choosing to fly the crane from the Pearl of Africa. Thank you once again, and good morning.